and demonstrate that you have creativity and you also have application. We see one alone is not going to cut the ice. You can be highly creative but not practical. Or you be only practical but there is no creativity. So we try to bridge both, and that is the essence of Max. How do we make fashion accessible? In terms of silhouette, in terms of the styling, in terms of wearability, but still you make the garment aspirational. It cannot be mundane. So the same thing we are putting it as a challenge to the designers, and through that we are getting their creativity. And with a jury like this, they are able to help us do it. It's not easy to have a candidate selected who is good in couture, good in thread, combined. So that is where we choose the right capability, the jury with capability, because they have seen it for decades. So they will be able to see how the marriage is happening. Okay. Through that, we spot the right talent and we give the platform. They get into doing a fashion range through Elle magazine. They also get to work with our designers to do a range. So finally, they end up realizing their creativity through a platform which we give, which normally in a student life it will take years or even decades. Some of them won't get breakthrough for even 10, 12 years. Here, in a matter of 10, 12 weeks, you are getting the platform. So that's what we believe Max is adding.
And apart from the cash gratification, what's really important is that the fact they get to work with Max on their spring-summer collection 2018. And Max, in its generosity, can also offer them placement if so required. Placement opportunities do arise, depending on how talented they are, depending what the students want at that point in time, because they are also on the brink of a new career. Do they want to work in Max? What is their vision? Do they want to become a vision merchandiser? Do they want to take up design, stylist? So this is just a platform. Yes, but Max does provide a platform for also placement.
Find a book and colors are option. And now it's all on their smartphone. They don't need to move off the couch also if they don't want to. So that definitely shapes how they think. But when it comes to what is good design, I think it's at some level highly subjective, but there are also parameters which sort of help identify all of us through our mutual experience. Looking at what is honest to the creator, what is also contextually relevant for the product, and most importantly, is it innovative? It could be beautiful, but if it's one of the many that we've seen before, it makes no sense. And that's how I look at it.
And I think as jury, you have to go out of your comfort level and say, this may not be my aesthetic sense, but it is somebody's aesthetic sense, and it is, with our years in design and in the industry, I guess you realize that there will be a consumer for this kind of product, and hence this student deserves the chance to show.
Design fraternity working for us. There are designers, over 200 designers across various formats. These designers also look at the company, see what is it they are doing, the company is doing to connect with the new generation of designers, apart from just giving employment. Because today a lot of designers want to branch on their own. Very soon there will be designers working from outside for companies. It's already there and it may go up. There's a thing called co-creation that also is going to happen. With online giving a lot of opportunities, there will be designers working out of their houses and offering designs for different brands. So this is an opportunity to connect such talent also. Because in future there may be opportunities to work.
To represent their work here, when you look at the submission, the quality of the sketches, whether there is clarity of thought, whether there is a sense of sort of a clear thinking where fabrics, swatches, techniques, all of that is there. Where from an idea till the final product, one can see it through their submission. That automatically sort of puts them ahead of
When faculty start calling you up and asking you, when are you coming to our college to do a presentation for Max? When are the Max Design Awards taking place? It really warms the cockles of one heart when one gets to know that apart from visiting 60 colleges, other faculties are calling us up and asking us, can even first year students take part? Because the competition is only open to final year students and students who are in the pre-final year. But when we have a platform like this, which is so credible, which acts as a catalyst to get them into the industry, it's really, really phenomenal. So the entries have multiplied. We had 350 online entries, and I think our jury has done a commendable job in bringing it down.